Everybody is already there. After the PTM, can you make sure that you talk? Okay? Have you people done that? So I usually don't like asking the teachers to stay back. I know everybody, most of you have to go and prepare lunch and then the tuition together. No? Anyhow, teachers, please make sure about the notebook checking. Notebook checking has to be done in a very precise manner, no? That you do not just put ticks and just leave. Because once you are putting a tick, it means you are acknowledging that this is all right. Okay? So kindly check. And I don't know why it happens, there's a lot of work. That day when Mrs. Gurpreet's mother was on bed, she had on leave. I went to grade 1. Sorry, grade 2. I did that. I gave them days in a week. Did you notice up with the keep my promise? And she literally didn't take help from me and she wrote the things on her own. Okay, handwriting. We can help her improve. And that was also not free. It was very bad. She had a legible write.
She can write, but when she won't do. Yesterday she, instead of killing her, she told the maid, "पता नहीं मैं कौन से स्कूल में फंस गई, सारा दिन मेरे से काम करवाते थे." She told us.
देखो, that happened with all the children. If you ask them, na, what you will do standard? Every single child is a dukhi atma. Because we don't make the things interesting for them. And when productivity नहीं आएगी, for getting the productivity from the children, we have to be productive ourselves. We have to make the things happening for the children. Did I do that with you? Okay, I'll give you one small example. I'll start with something, and you will, everybody, even the males, okay? I don't know why the science people, they are always serious for us. I'll start. I want maximum participation because I want to show you something. 1, 2, 3, start. Washing powder, Nirma. Repeat. Washing powder, Nirma.
वॉशिंग पाउडर निरमा
Nirma
से आए रंगीन कपड़ों खिल खिल जाए सबकी पसंद निरमा निरमा
मैम हम तो सब से यूज करते हैं
खड़ा हो जाए।
क्या यूज करते हैं?
सब से यूज करना आगे नहीं आते
दाग अच्छे हैं
मैम हम तो ब्रांड वाला लेते हैं
He is an excuse for everything, no?
की ऐड आती है.
And listen, this is what? In any of the courses, did you learn this? No. Nobody taught you. And like I have stopped watching TV for so many months. But still I remember. Why? Because अभी पूरी हमने गाई नहीं, रेखा, हेमा, सबका नाम जया और सुषमा, है ना? Why could we remember that? Visualize it and moreover repetition. So many times we watched it that subconsciously it went into our mind, and somewhere this dancing and jingle and rhyme that helped us to learn the things. Am I right or wrong?
यस मैम
Who teaches chemistry? You teaching ना? तो आपके जो वो है periodic table उसका भी पूरा गाना बना के करा देते हो, बच्चा वो नहीं भूलता. Even 11th 12th graders, you teach them with those वो songs सब बना के.
Nowadays these are all
Solar system, my very educated mother just served us classes. What are you doing? CBSE did not tell you कि ये होता है. किसी बुक में वो आपको ऐसा रूल नहीं दिया हुआ, but they are doing it ना? ठीक है?
Nowadays in the books also
practice. This is what? Making the things interesting. The moment we make the things interesting for the children, I think that I did that Antarctic thing with you. Arctic and Antarctic, the children get confused.
Yes.
Anna, what happens? I always tell the children, picturize the store in your house. If we are sitting here, we all know how to we place our boxes. The bigger ones at the bottom, lighter ones, the lightest up. Now, if I talk about Arctic circle and Antarctic circle. In mathematics, they start learning about arc, right? What are they supposed to write? Only tick they have to add. Arc spelling they know everybody. Antarctic only and also they know. And Arctic circle is same for both the things. अब northern hemisphere is up, southern hemisphere is the lower one. कौन सा trunk कहाँ जाएगा बता दो मुझे. Where will it be small up, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. याद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. अभी आप लोगों को दे दूँ कि tomorrow की spelling हम में से भी कई गलत कर जाएंगे. Right? I'm just giving you one, two examples. Tom. I think हम लोग वो generation है. टॉम एंड जेरी सबने देखा है. अब ये नोबिता बड़े आ गए है ना. If we talk about the school principal, I always say PAL पल जो पल पल पीछे पड़ा है तुम्हारे वो स्कूल प्रिंसिपल. ठीक है. तो PAL पल जो पल पल आपके पीछे पड़ा है तो वही बच्चों के पीछे पड़ा है आपके ऊपर रैंप पे आ जाती है. मैं लिफ्ट भी नहीं यूज करती ताकि मेरे को सारा दिखाई देता है. इसलिए आई प्रेफर दिस रैंप. Another example I'll give you. Check it at your home also. The spelling of vacuum. We are putting, I don't know why, but we are putting double C. When it is VACUUM. Surprised many of you? I said many of you, not 100% of you, but many of you. Anna? I don't know why, but every single. एक वो जो one physics teacher, he was adamant. No ma'am, book में दिखाओ. Book में ऐसे ही होता है. I said बेटा, you Google it. And if you Google this word, if you will Google this word, you will not find it at all. तो इतनी सी देर में हमने इतनी सारी चीजें रीडिंग कर ली और आप देखो बाकी कुछ भूल जाओगे, ये चीजें नहीं भूलोगे. Same is the case. Equator equal. Two equal parts. ठीक है. Topic of same spelling. Cancer, Capricorn. मैं लिख भी नहीं रही. आप बता दीजिए कैंसर, कैप्रिकॉर्न कौन सा बॉक्स नीचे आने वाला है. कैप्रिकॉर्न नीचे आ गया. सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में कहाँ पे रेट्रोफिकेशन. So if you make the things interesting for the children and it can be made at any level, you'll find the children enjoying it and rote learning will not be there. The CBSE is after your life and our life. CBP करो ताकि because आज was the generation जिसने rote learning का ये करके हमारे पास trust me मेरे पास टीचर जब इंटरव्यू देने आते हैं I'm never impressed by the percentage of the marks. One of the teachers she came to me. She was MSc chemistry. इस साइंस वालों को बात समझ आ जाएगी. MSc chemistry B.Ed experience है. I'm from arts background. I called my chemistry teacher up. जी मैं काफी चीज ask her questions. He asked her what will be the reaction if nitric acid is poured on eggshell. And that lady who had experience, she said albumin and protein. And plus, I'm not exaggerating the things, I'm just telling the facts. I said, beta, I think you have not understood my question. What sir has asked you, you have not understood that. And literally, that lady said, I'm sorry, I don't mean to offend anybody, but literally the lady said, ma'am, I am untouchable to chemistry. कोई मैंने अनटचेबल कह दिया होता मैं जेल में बैठती राइट और रॉन्ग एमएससी केमिस्ट्री जो मेरे को ये कह रही है एल्ब्यूमिन ऑफ प्रोटीन इज द रिएक्शन देन इन हिस्ट्री आई टोल्ड यू by just like I do here randomly history class before start teaching by just I had been to history class 10th standard I taught them romanticism. Day or two after, I don't remember, on the same day, MA history BEd came for interview, experienced hand again. I said, what is romanticism? अब उसे लगा ये मैडम को बड़ी बिजी है. Literally he said, and this is 10 years back. Ma'am, and literally his expression was, ma'am, बड़ी यार मोहब्बत की बात है. ये हमारा MA BEd, MSc BEd वालों का हाल है. ट्रस्ट में मैथमेटिक्स वालों को बुला लो, स्क्वायर और सर्कल में डिफरेंस नहीं पता होगा. I'm not exaggerating. ये which what I have seen. इसलिए I always tell you people, make the आप जो भी पढ़ा रहे हो उनको टेबल बना के करा दीजिए प्लीज. वर्ड्स हैं उनको. Yesterday I what did I give in class 12? Creator शायद. And I think उन्होंने 16 words उसमें से बना के दे दिया. अभी actually last of 12th graders तो दे दिए. Out of the word creator they had created, I think it was creator only.